Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be discussing how to reduce and increase video quality in Microsoft Teams. So for that you just need to go to the three dots on the top right corner and then select settings. After going to the settings you will see the devices option. Just click it and go down and always choose noise suppression as high. Just go down below and here you can see the camera settings. You just need to click on that. Just go to advanced settings and from here you can select the details, like you can select the exposure, brightness and everything. So that's all. I think you've liked the video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.